What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. This is week 3 of trying to trade a $10 account in 365 days. This is episode 3 of the challenge. For this week, guys, we took only one trade. Let's head right onto the chart and see what we did this week. So this is GBP JPY. This is the only trade we took for the week. So for the analysis, let's start. I started the analysis from the daily time frame. Let me see. Yes. So on Sunday, I analyzed this market and I sent it to my trading partner. So this is what I marked out. It was clearer on the 4-hour time frame. So on Sunday, price was not here. On Sunday, I think price was here. Yeah, price was here. So this is it. Sunday, the market opened here. It gapped straight into this zone. But when I was analyzing this chart, the market hadn't opened yet. So I think price was somewhere here where it closed on Friday. So I marked out this zone. And sent it to my trading partner. So on Sunday, every Sunday, we do analyze the market together. So I marked out this zone and sent it to her. And I told her that I'll be considering this zone, but price does not have liquidity. There's no liquidity in this move, in this retracement. Normally, you have a break, inducement, or liquidity, then you take your trade from the point of interest. So because of that, I didn't set a limit order. You understand? If there was to be like inducement or liquidity in this move, I would have set a limit order right on this zone like this and target these highs. Do you get? But because there was no liquidity, I ignored this. I didn't set my limit order this way in the hope of waiting for a confirmation when price comes into this point of interest and maybe give us a change of character or a break of structure in the lower time frame, then we enter. So let's see what we did in the lower time frame. So when you head on to the 30 minutes, time frame, so this was the 30 minutes time frame. So immediately price got here, we saw the quick reaction to the upside this way. Okay, so what I actually did was that after price broke this high, price retraced back this way and went up and gave another break of structure here. So I was looking at this zone right here. I marked out this zone, waiting for price to come back here and take an entry. So price went up, came here, then retraced, giving us some form of engineered liquidity right here, then tapped into the zone I was looking at. But when price tapped here, I think I was busy at the time, so I didn't enter right away. So when I came, price had already moved away from the point of interest. So I think I went down lower on another lower time frame to see if I would get an entry to where is it? Good. So when I came and price had already tapped and started moving, at the time I checked, I think price was around this side. So when I saw this, then I said, okay, so if price has also tapped and started moving and has given us this break, we have inducement right here, then why don't I set my limit order on these breaker blocks right here, stops below, and target my usual risk to reward ratio, or this high, this immediate high right here. So that's what exactly I did, set my limit order, and price came down, triggered, moved very 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 little, and boom, came down for the stop loss. So you could see this is the position, so you can see price took out even this initial zone that I was anticipating price to move from, then later started buying. So when go to the 30 minutes time frame, you see that price came down, cleared all these lows, and started buying from here, from this other block right here. This is where price started buying from. This is exactly where price started buying from, and it moved up, cleared this low we're targeting, this high we're targeting in the trade, and cleared this entire high. So I think this trade was on Tuesday. So we took this loss on the account. Bringing our account balance down minus another 100 cents, which is $1. So I was analyzing this loss with my trading partner, and the reason why I said I took only one trade this week is not that I didn't spot any opportunities, or I didn't want to, but the year started roughly for my trading partner and I. So we just decided that, okay, let's take a step back from the chart for the remaining of the week, which is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Then let's actually let's go back and study all our losses we've taken this year, because the losses I've shown on this channel are not the only losses that we have taken this year. Mind you, I'm trading this account and I'm taking only one trade a day. I have other accounts that we take other trades on with my trading partner, and it has not really been good. So she just said, okay, let's take a break, go back to studying, and see what we can come back and do next week. So I decided not to take any trade, just study the losses, study the mistakes I've been making, and that is why I took only one trade this week. And from the start of this challenge, you will see that we have not won any trade so far. We have been in losses so far. We've taken 4 straight losses in a row, because starting a year with this much losses, and I see a lot of people complain that the market condition, the market structure is not favorable, the market condition, price action, but I choose not to blame my losses on those things. Ever since I started trading and started taking my path to profitability serious, one lesson I've learned is never to blame my losses on anything. It provides a sense of like running away from accountability or running away from responsibility. Instead of taking accountability for the losses, you are blaming it on the market, that the price action is no good. But it's this same price action other traders are trading, and they are making progress. You understand? So I choose not to stand by or identify by that price action excuse. No. So this is it for the account this week. This is a trade we took, and this is the result. So let's head over to our journaling platform to see what it's telling us. This is the challenge account. So far this week the stats have been updated. We have a gain percentage of negative 36.41%, net profit and loss of negative 370.02 cents, which is $3, about $3.7. Then period returns: daily minus 8.66%, weekly minus 14.01%, monthly minus 36.41%, then annualized 95.83%. So risk: max balance drawdown 37.71%. Our current equity, which is same as our current balance on account, is 645.98 cents, which is equivalent to 6.45 So out of the $10, we are left with $6.45. Then win rate percentage 20.0%, profit factor 0.05, average win 21.10. This is the break-even trade we had. That's the first trade on the account, and average loss 97.78%. So if you look at it in terms of like risk management, we have been pretty solid, because at the beginning of the challenge we said we'll be risking 10% on every trade, which is $100. So if our average loss is 97.78, it means it's pretty good. We have not gone above our risk so far. So symbols traded, 5 symbols: gold, AUD JPY, BTC USD, Euro USD, and GBP JPY. So this is account curve. So basically this is everything for the start of the account. And if you change this to the calendar view, this is this week's performance. So you can see only one trade taken, minus 99.56. This is the loss we took. Last week we took 3 trades, this week 1 trade, and in the first week we took just 1 trade. So this is everything for the account. Hopefully we come back next week, and hopefully things really get better next week, because as I spoke with my trading partner, I didn't just say okay, that's it, but I went back to study. I actually studied the chart from Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I really want to put in the work to study the chart. So hopefully next week we come back and we see some improvement. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or anything you want to say about the challenge so far. Don't forget to put it down in the comment section, and don't forget to share the video as well. Please help us reach 10 subscribers by the end of this week. We have been stuck for 4 subscribers for long. Like and subscribe so we can get to 10 subscribers by the end of this week. See you in the next one. Bye.